Hello, I'm Kate Tichina on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. In the report of the Bank of Japan is noted that the prices for the corporate services in Japan are by 1% below in January than a year ago, with the assumption that the December data showed the reduction by 1.5%. However, the prices in comparison with December declined by 0.4%, and the index continued its decrease. This means that the deflation of the corporation's prices still continues despite the extensive programs of the quantitative softening. In the present condition, they should influence the state of affairs in corporation at first. However, there is no effect for the present moment. However, it is quite clear that the domestic demand cannot become the base for the growth. The indexes of the international trading have more significant meaning. In this way, the statistics is rather positive, especially in comparison with the previous year. The seasonally unadjusted January indexes show the increase of the export by 40.9% to January 2009, the growth of the import by 8.6%. The surplus balance is 85.2 billion yens against the deficit in amount of 956 billion yens a year ago. The seasonally adjusted data are less optimistic on the levels of the export-import, but the condition of the trade balance is rather good. Average monthly surplus was 0.8 billions till 2008 and now is 0.72 billions. The export advanced by 8.5% and the import grew by 8.2%. The export is still at the level of 2005. The import is also at the level of 2005. However, it should be mentioned that the recovery from the levels of 2002, this is a low in February 2009, till the present values was very rapid and took only 11 months. With such rates, Japan will be back to the highs of the middle of 2008 in 9 months, but this situation is unlikely. Europe enters the horizontal phase of the GDP growth. China restrains the expansion rate. The USA can buy the Japanese goods, cars and household appliances in a lesser degree due to the weakening of the consumer activity. Nonetheless, the yen appreciably strengthened yesterday against the background of stock exchanges' decline. The demand for the risk reduced because of the falling of the US Consumer Sentiment Index. In this case, the yen, which strengthened the fourth day in a row, again rebounded from the 200 days moving average. The market is not ready to sell the yen. It means does not believe in the upturn of the stock exchanges, though the fact of profit repatriation till March cannot be excluded as well. We'll be back tomorrow at the next release. Goodbye.